The second release strategy your team can consider is date-driven releases. In this strategy, your team decides how often they're going to release deliverables and sticks to that schedule, regardless of how much work they have finished at the time of release. Unlike in the function-driven strategy, the release period stays consistent, but the amount or size of the deliverable may vary. Again, how fast your team works is a factor in how small or large the releases will be. If they work together efficiently and quickly, each release will be larger. If they're working on large, complex features, the releases may be smaller. This strategy may be helpful in cases where the customers want to be very involved in the development process, or when your team needs to show tangible progress frequently. No matter which strategy you choose, following a release plan can help you deliver more value than ever to your stakeholders. Release planning allows for iterative releases of your product. This allows your team to begin producing value as soon as possible. Remember, you can provide the most relevant product more quickly through release planning.